everybody, my name is Bailey. I am a brand manager on the customer experience team. Welcome to Customized Close-Up for Choice 6. Make sure you stay till the end because I do have a promo code for you that you will not want to miss out on. All right, so for our first product, we have the Summer Fridays CC Me Serum. I love using it in the morning. It really brightens my skin tone. It's good for hyperpigmentation. It's good for those dark spots. It's definitely a necessary step in your morning skincare routine. Next, let's get into the Oasis puzzle. This is a 500-piece puzzle. It's super cute. I like it because you know, when it's cold in the wintertime and you're inside and you want to just kind of do a fun activity with your family, you can put together this nice little tropical scene to remind you of warmer times and just a reminder that you are a puzzle queen. All right, next in customized choice 6, we have the Barefoot Scientist Pedicure File. So your feet are in boots, socks, you know, all of that during the winter time. So you need to make sure you give your feet some love. And this is super cool because there's two sides to it. One that's a little bit more flat to kind of get those easier areas that aren't as dry. And then one that has these little ridges on them that will definitely help you get those very dry, cracked parts of your feet. So, and it's super small, compact. You can bring it with you when you travel or keep it in your shower, kind of whatever you want to do with it. It's a great addition to your overall skincare routine. All right, next we have the Bennkai Chocolate Bomb Maker. Let me tell you, this is literally thebomb.com. You can make so many fun, cute treats in these. What you're supposed to do is pour like chocolate into it, put it in the freezer, and then you can add, you know, hot chocolate mix, and then you take one side, close it with the other with some melted chocolate, and then it's a fun little thing you can add into hot milk to create a hot chocolate bomb. But I also think you can get pretty creative with the types of treat bombs you can make with this. So if anyone has any other ideas of what we could make with this mold, comment down below because I'm interested in trying out as many recipes as possible. All right, next we have the Avéne Thermal Spring Water. I know what you're thinking, water in a can. No, this water is very, very different from regular water. And then when you spray it on your face, you feel hydrated, you feel refreshed. It's great to keep your makeup looking fresh when you're going to all of those holiday events, and keeping your makeup and your face moisturized because the winter weather, it is dry, y'all. So make sure you have this on hand with you. Next, we have the Aesthetica Liquid Eyeliner. Eyeliner already is intimidating, and I know liquid eyeliner can be especially intimidating, but what I love about this product is that the felt tip, it's very hard. It makes it very easy to just like draw a line on your eye. So I'm actually going to try and tackle a liquid eyeliner cat eye look. So I think you can also do it. And I love how it's compact and there's definitely a lot of product in here. I mean, a little goes a long way. So I think this is a super great addition to your makeup routine if you're wanting to spruce it up, especially for those holiday photos you'll be taking with all of your family members or friends. Next, we have the KVD Go Big or Go Home Mascara. You know, I like to go big and I like to stay home. But what's fun about this is that this brush is super thick, definitely gives you that very full look. So it's a great addition if you're just trying to do a quick makeup look, wanting to look alive in the morning after being super tired. So this and a little concealer is a perfect no makeup look. And not to mention, like, this packaging is amazing. It's matte black with these glossy words. I mean, people are gonna be like, wow, she is so bougie with her mascara. Where do I get it? And you just have to be like, FabFitFun. I mean, members only, so sign up today. Next, we have the Summer and Rose Tweezers. I really like this because it's a really cute little print and it comes with a pouch. I lose tweezers like I lose bobby pins. It's so easy to do, so I need a pouch for everything in my life, honestly, and I really love that they give me a pouch with this. It's super cute, really portable. You can keep it in your car. You know, if you're going to those holiday events and you catch a glimpse of light and you see a spare hair you need to get, guess what? You have your Summer and Rose tweezers ready to go in your purse, in your car, in your makeup bag. So really love these, and they're nice and sharp and straight edge, so super easy to get those really stubborn hairs as well. Okay, next we have the $1 Billion Brow Brush Set. Say that 5 times fast. $1 Billion Brow Brush Set. $1
Billion Brow Brush Set.
This set is just all the essential brushes you need to do a quick face makeup look. I used a couple of the brushes this morning on my makeup look, and I mean, come on. It sells itself practically. Just kidding. But there's a lot of really good brushes for foundation, blush, contour, bronzer, highlighter, eyeshadow, and eyebrows. So you can really do a full makeup look if you want also with these brushes. They're also super soft, like very, very nice. They apply makeup very nice as well. And what I love about it as someone who is not the most pro when it comes to makeup is that it tells you on the brush what it is for. Because if you had not put the names of these on the brushes, I would have told you that this is for mascara or something. But this is for eyeshadow and contour, so it's really helpful, especially if you're like wanting to kind of get started in doing makeup or just making sure you're doing everything correctly. Super great that they have the names of each brushes on there. So highly recommend. Time to step up your makeup routine, you know, for the holiday time. So great. Next, we have the AHAVA Refreshing Cleansing Gel Cleanser. Your skin will be saying, aha, finally something great to help us feel refreshed, clean, renewed. Great for your morning routine, great for your nighttime routine. Overall, just a really gentle cleanser to help you and your skin just feel clean and fresh. We have the Scentuals Vitamin C Skincare Serum. This is really great to add to your morning skincare routine because it has hyaluronic acid in it, it has plant stem cells, it gives you this bright, glowy look, but more importantly, it really protects from outside factors. Like if you go outside and it's a smoggy or hazy day, or if you're just inside with a bunch of people, this really helps to protect against any kind of, you know, things that might be damaging to your skin. And I think it's a really cute, chic packaging, so I'm super excited about this. All right, next, this is really getting me into the winter cozy vibes mood. We have the Lucky brand scarf. This, honestly, it's nice and big. It can be wrapped a couple times around. It can be used just once. If you're trying to just make a fashion statement. It's super soft, love the fringe. Honestly, this is definitely unisex as well. Men or women could wear this. It's just a great overall addition. And love that it's like a neutral color also because it goes with a bunch of different outfits you might be wearing during the holiday times. You'll definitely be feeling very lucky wearing this Lucky brand scarf. We hope you loved the 2021 Winter FabFitFun box and we can't wait to see what you choose. All right, before I let you completely go, we do have a promo code for you. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you can use promo code CLOSEUP to get some money off of your first FabFitFun box today. So go over to FabFitFun.com, type in the promo CLOSEUP, and we can't wait for you to be a FabFitFun member with us. Thanks everyone.